Hello there. This is Jim from Don't Call Me a Vegan. And today is roasting day. So, what I do is generally every so many days when my refrigerator containers start to go down, I do what I call batch cooking. And sometimes that can be some stir fries or things in a pot, or when I have it available, my Instapot. But one of my other favorite things to do is to roast things in the oven. And once I get the oven heated up, I like to use it for several things. I'm kind of an efficiency geek that way. So what we have here is I have sweet potatoes, good old sweet potatoes. I've cut them into triangles, and I will roast those. And those will be snacks first and foremost that I will have in a bowl in the refrigerator. And once they roast, they're kind of like candy, and they're just amazing to grab and enjoy. And over here I have tofu, some firm or extra firm tofu, and I'm basically going to roast it until it's kind of golden brown, and then it has gotten a little rid of some of its moisture, and it's toughened up a little bit, so to speak. I don't want to make it too hard, but they kind of end up becoming like chunks of chicken breast. And then I'll season them appropriately with, I have some shawarma seasoning. But anyway, I'm going to do other videos on what I do with what I end up doing with these things. But right now, this video is basically just on roasting. So I've spent, maybe 20 minutes chopping things up. And then inside the oven, I have a tray of Roma tomatoes, some red peppers, and an Anaheim pepper, and some garlic that I'm roasting in there. And that's going to go into a soup. I'm going to put that into the food processor or blender, haven't decided which yet, and basically turn it into a really nice soup. You'll be amazed if you ever do something like this, that just something as simple as roasting vegetables on parchment paper, which parchment paper is the best thing ever. And I used to buy rolls, but now I buy these parchment pop-ups, which you don't have to worry so much about the curl. A little more expensive, but geez, parchment paper's so cheap. And you notice I've got some carrots, some baby carrots down here that I threw in here because I had some space. And I'm going to throw those into my soup as well, because a few carrots into a soup adds a little sweetness and a little extra character. So anyway, watch for future videos as to what I'm going to do with all this stuff. And my next one will be those items that are in here roasting. I'll show them to you again. I'm going to show you how to turn those into a nice soup. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe. Pass it on to a friend. I'm just trying to show people how quick and easy you can make this stuff. Really, really yummy stuff, and be plant-based, which I've been enjoying now for 2.5 years. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you.